Hey y'all, a mailman just delivered this. I think it's electronics. It's packaged like electronics, but let's see what we got here. I put some tape over my address, so I don't mind you seeing my license plate, but not my address. Checking it out. Not electronics. Matching pocket knives for my wife and I. She's been wanting a new everyday carry, and I wanted one too. I am a little excited. Put it real close, see if you can hear it. I mean, you should be able to hear it, but it's pretty smooth. Not bad. Alright, awesome. Short, sweet video. Thanks for watching. Now we'll be getting back to the teardrop camper build.